Hey everybody, Matt McMurray from Campus Automotive in Blacksburg, Virginia, and today we're diving into a tire that's all about performance, versatility, and handling a variety of weather conditions. The GeneralTire G-MAX AS-07. If you're looking for a tire that delivers on wet and dry roads, snow traction, and more, you're in for a treat. Meet the GeneralTire G-MAX AS-07, a dynamic, all-season, ultra-high performance tire that's ready to elevate your driving experience. Whether you're crushing it in a sporty sedan, crossover, SUV, or light truck, this tire has you covered with its fine handling characteristics and adaptability to various weather conditions. What sets the G-MAX AS-07 apart? Well, it's packed with advanced features like replacement tire monitor and visual alignment indicators. These technologies help you detect tire wear early on, ensuring your safety and performance are always in check. So taking a deep dive into the tread pattern, you'll see that this tire has 5 ribs, unique design. It's asymmetric design, which means this side and this side, they don't match up. They're not equally designed, and they all have different features. So there's an outside and an inside for this tire. So this is the inside. Let's come over here and do the outside. And this is the outside. So you can see the outer rib is continuous. The second rib has 2 connected tread blocks in a continuous form. The center rib is all continuous. The second to outside rib has individual tread blocks. And this outer rib is all connected in some shape or fashion. You'll notice that there are plenty of siping in each of these tread blocks. So each rib section on this tire has a different purpose, okay? This outer section, which is the outside, is designed to be stable in cornering and in high-speed handling situations. This next rib, same kind of thing, but more biting edges, and that's going to give us that traction in a little bit of light snow, give us the traction in the rain. You'll see this kind of Z-type groove. You'll also see these sipes here. They're not full depth sipes, but still, they run pretty deep in the tread pattern. This middle tread rib is continuous, and this is what keeps everything quiet on the highway, because remember, when we're at highway speed, 70, 80 miles an hour, only this much tire is even touching the road to begin with. So if this center rib is continuous, that's going to keep the noise down, keep it smooth, keep the handling confident, and keep it quiet. Now this second to outer rib, you'll notice with the individual tread blocks, that's going to give us the traction also in light snow in different situations where you need these individual blocks to grab and to bite. And then the inner rib, designed a lot like the outer rib, but also for stability and cornering, because depending on if you're turning left or turning right, that depends on which side of the tire gets loaded up on. So that's why these two are very, very similar. Now, one unique feature of this tire is the replacement tire monitor here. So as you drive, these letters wear away, and when the tire is worn out and ready to replace, it will tell you to replace tire, because the other letters are wear away. You also have visual alignment indicators here and here, and what you're doing is you're looking for these to wear out at different times. So if this outer one wears out faster than this inner one, then it's an indication visually that you need alignment on the car. Or it could be an indication that you're driving aggressively, but for the most part, it's usually an indication that the vehicle needs alignment. So these little boxes will wear out, and if they wear out equally, then you know you're in good shape. Now, we've got a decent looking sidewall here. When it's clean, it's going to look really nice. Kind of got like a serrated edge right here. This size of this tire is 215/45 ZR18, W-rated tire. However, it's got a 500 tread wear, so that means we're going to get a lot of tread life out of this tire. It is an extra low tire on this particular size. We do have a rim protector here, which is a good thing, so you don't curb those expensive wheels. This particular tire is made in France. So Continental owns General. Continental is a German company, but they also have factories in France. So any European factory performs at the highest level as far as quality control. So I would expect these to perform very well. Some sizes may be even built in the United States. Now let's talk about performance. This tire boasts a best-in-class wet and dry braking, making sure you have the confidence to stop when you need it the most. Plus, it offers exceptional snow traction, which is essential when those colder months roll around. No need to swap out tires. The G-MAX AS-07 is ready for it all. Worried about the road noise? Don't be. The G-MAX AS-07 keeps it low, giving you a quieter and more comfortable ride. And let's not forget about tread wear. With its long-lasting design, you can expect this tire to keep performing mile after mile. So how does this all come together? The G-MAX AS-07 features an asymmetric tread pattern combined with performance-focused compound. This combination ensures adaptable year-round performance, whether you're taking tight corners or navigating through rain-soaked roads. What about its ability to handle snow? Well, General Tire has you covered there too. The G-MAX AS-07 comes prepared with the all-season compound and siping that create those essential biting edges for reliable snow traction. And here's the cherry on top. General Tire is offering a 50,000 mile limited tread wear warranty and a 45-day trial period for the G-MAX AS-07. They're confident that this tire will impress you. They're backing it up with these great benefits. And there you have it, folks. The GeneralTire G-MAX AS-07. If you're looking for a tire that blends performance, versatility, and all-season capability, this is the one to consider. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more automotive insights and stay tuned to Campus Automotive. Until next time, keep those tires rolling and your drive experiences thrilling.